Ever wondered how to make your meals healthier and more convenient? It's time to discover the art of meal prepping. Now, meal prepping isn't just about filling your fridge with Tupperware. It's a strategic approach to managing your meals that can offer numerous benefits. Think about it. You're not only saving precious time otherwise spent cooking daily, but also reducing the stress that comes with last-minute meal decisions. But the advantages don't stop there. Meal prepping promotes healthier eating habits. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you're more likely to opt for balanced, nutritious choices. And let's not forget about the financial benefits. By steering clear of unnecessary takeouts or processed food, you're likely to save a considerable amount of money. So meal prepping can be a game changer, but how do you get started? That's what we'll explore next. Starting with meal prepping may seem overwhelming at first, but it can be broken down into easy, manageable steps. Let's get started with the first step: planning your meals ahead of time. This is where you decide what you'll be eating for the week. Consider your nutritional needs, your taste preferences, and your schedule. It's important to be realistic about what you can and will actually eat. This step is all about setting yourself up for success. Next, armed with your meal plan, you'll want to make a grocery list. This list should be comprehensive, including all the ingredients you'll need for each meal. Don't forget about snacks and beverages. Making a list not only ensures you won't forget anything, but it also helps you resist the temptation to buy items that aren't part of your plan. Once you have your list, it's time for grocery shopping. This may seem like a no-brainer, but shopping with a purpose is key. Stick to your list, avoid impulse buys, and remember, if it's not in your house, you can't eat it. Buying in bulk can also be a great way to save money and reduce packaging waste. After you've got your groceries, it's time to cook your meals in batches. This step is where meal prepping really shines. By cooking multiple meals at once, you save time and effort throughout the week. You can cook all your meals for the week in one day or break it down into 2 cooking days, whatever works best for you. Finally, storing your meals properly is crucial. Proper storage ensures your meals stay fresh and tasty until you're ready to eat them. Invest in good quality, airtight containers. Clear containers are a great choice because they let you see what's inside at a glance. Remember, meal prepping isn't about perfection. It's about making healthier, more convenient food choices and reducing the stress of daily meal decisions. It's a process. And like any process, it gets easier with practice. And there you have it. A simple guide to start your meal prepping journey. But what are the key takeaways? Oh, let's review. Mastering meal prep doesn't have to be complicated. Remember these key points. In essence, meal prepping is all about planning, organization, and execution. It's about anticipating your nutritional needs for the week and preparing for them in advance. It's not just a strategy for healthy eating, but also a way to save time, reduce waste, and relieve stress. Let's quickly recap the steps. Start by deciding your meals for the week. Make a shopping list to ensure you've got all the ingredients you need. Then dedicate a few hours on your chosen prep day to cook and package your meals. And remember, variety is the spice of life. Keep it interesting by trying new recipes and rotating your menu. With these tips in mind, you're ready to start your meal prepping journey. Remember, the goal is healthier and more convenient meals. So why not give it a try? And if you want more health and lifestyle tips, subscribe to our channel, MedVista.